Hello first graders and welcome to our mini lesson on contractions. You're going to need to have your pencil and a page of your journal available to write the answers. Okay, once you're ready, please look to the screen. We're going to start with the contraction, the two words that we're going to contract. Remember when we contract, contraction is a word that is a shortened form of two words that are put together. An example here, let's do the first example together. The first example are the words can and not. When they're put together, the new word is cannot. To make a contraction, we take the two words and we take letters out and we add an apostrophe. Okay, so the words cannot, the contraction is the word can't. C-A-N, an apostrophe. We've taken out the N and the O. We've got an apostrophe between the two words, can and t. Call it can't. So I cannot go to the zoo. I can't go to the zoo. Remember, contractions, when letters are missed out of words, we add an apostrophe. We also add an apostrophe when we're doing possession, say, of an object, like Sarah's dogs. We would have an apostrophe. And if your apostrophe isn't doing one of these things, then you don't need it in your writing. Okay, so remember, if you're doing contractions, you're contracting a word, making it smaller, you're going to be taking out letters, you're also going to be using that apostrophe. Okay, let's do the next one. This is one, I'm going to show you the two words on the screen here. What I want you to do is write the contraction for these two words, did not. Did not. Did not. Okay. Here's the next one. The two words I have. So write the contraction down in your journal. Write the contraction down. What would the contraction be for the two words I have? Remember, you're going to take some words out, letters out, and you're going to add the apostrophe. Okay, here's the next one. Are not. Are not. What is the contraction for the two words are not? You are not going out today. You are not going out. So how can we shorten this? What would the shortened or the contracted word be? Okay, let's do the next one. The two words I have. So I have a donut. I have a donut. How can we shorten that? I have. I have. Well, one of the clues on this one is the word I. I can't really be shortened for anything, can it? It's just one letter. So that gives you a hint that your apostrophe would probably have to go after the I. So I have, what's the shortened contraction of the two words I have? Let's go to the next one. Okay. These are the two words he will. He will. What would the contracted version be? These are the two words he will. So once again, remember, contraction's a word that's shortened form of two words that are put together. And you're going to put in an apostrophe to make it into a smaller word. He will. He will. Okay, the next one. Let us. Let us. Let us all finish our work today. Let us. This is a bit of a tricky one. Let us. So what is the contraction? Write down the contraction in your journal. Write down what the word would be, the contracted word with the two words let us. And then finally, okay, the last one here is the word you have. So you have written down all your contractions. You have. So once again, looking for the shortened contracted word of the two words you have. Okay. All right, if you need to replay this video to double check, you can. I'd like for you to send this on Seesaw. Take a picture of your journal page, these contractions that you've written down, and send them in to Mr. Shaver and myself, and we will look over these. And just remember, as you're doing your work, you're writing over the next few weeks, you can put in contractions into those informational pieces that you're going to be writing. You can shorten your words, shorten your two words into a contraction. Okay, we look forward to receiving your contraction spellings.